Hey everybody, good morning. It is like 4:30 in the morning and I just checked Doggy right now. It does look like the trajectory is up. But what I did want to show you guys is on the 4 hour chart, the MACD just crossed on the bullish side. This is exactly what we've been waiting for the last like couple of fucking days, man. I can't believe it actually fucking happened. So it's insane, dude. The fact that we're actually like, let me there you go. So the 4 hour, so the MACD. A lot of you guys were asking me, what's the 4 hour MACD? What's the 4 hour MACD? What's the 4 hour MACD? And I'm like, okay, I guess I need to explain it to everybody, right? It's not called the 4 hour MACD. It's actually called the 4 hour chart. You guys, I mean, I can't really point at where, but down here it says 4H. You guys see Doggy USD on the bottom left hand corner, and to the right that's the 4H, which means this is the 4 hour chart. It creates new candles every 4 hours. So every single time you see like the little dot right here. Every single time that a candle is created, candle, 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 right? You guys can follow the little ball. But every single one of these is an indication of a new candle that gets created every 4 hours, right? So every single one of these is 4 hours, and the best time frames to use are the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the day, the week, the 1 hour, 30 minute, 15, 5, 1 minute, right? So these are the most important time frames that you should be using if you actually want to start trading, swing trading, stuff like that. I guess eventually I can go in depth to that and show you guys how I really trade and stuff, but that's a little bit later. But yeah, I bet whenever I say the 4 hour MACD, I'm referring to the 4 hour chart. So and I'm referring to the 4 hour chart, and I'm referring to this indicator, the MACD. It's actually called the MACD, but I like to calling it the MACD just because I think it sounds a little bit better. I don't know why. I don't know why I got used to saying that. I usually tend to say things however I want to say things. I don't really like care how they're pronounced or whatever. But this is what we've been waiting with. This is what we've been waiting for. I mean, we just crossed the 4 hour chart. I mean, on the 4 hour chart, we just crossed on the MACD right here. Like that, like I said, this is what we've been waiting for the last couple of days. We just crossed it. I really hope we stay bullish, right? So I mean, we can definitely cross it and then go back down on the bearish side depending on how momentum is. But we just crossed it. We need to gauge the next 4 hours, the next 8 hours, the next 12 hours to see if we stay bullish. If we stay bullish today, and you guys see this green line right here starting to go up and up and up and up and up, then we're in an amazing direction. And I do think that as of right now, this is probably the beginning of us heading to 2 cents. But like I said, we need to see this green line stay green. We need to see it green. We need to see it that it's actually headed in the green direction, right? We need to see it heading up, not cross back over and turn red and then go down. That's not what we want. We don't want this to turn green and then go back to red and then go down, because that means that we're going to go straight down, and that means that we're probably going to break this support level right here on the price range for Doggy. But yeah, that 4 hour MACD just got broken. If you guys want me to go into like how I trade a little bit more and how I get my predictions, how to use TradingView and stuff, let me know. I'll try to make a video on it and stuff. But yeah, 4 hour MACD is broken. We gotta gauge to make sure this is still going up. And basically right now, if we stay on the green on this MACD, the indicator, I do think we're headed towards that 2 cent level, man. It's gonna be crazy for today's gonna be pretty good.